Okay, I think
Okay,
we're live now.
yeah, I think we're live.
Nice.
Hello, everyone.
Hey, hello everyone.
Hopefully, this is working. First time we've gone live on our PayByFace YouTube channel. Um, we've set up this very fancy studio here up against the wall. So we'll call this Fireside Chat Up Against the Wall series. And we just decided to start doing some live shows and letting our audience know all the cool, amazing things that we go through every single day trying to build.
We're actually building. We're not trying to build.
Yeah,
We're
we
actually
are.
building.
Yeah,
Yeah.
trying to take over the world, but building it day by day, little piece by piece. Um, and we just wanted to start doing these live sessions so we can update our our storyline and all the people that are following us for years and years. What's been happening
Behind the scenes.
behind the scenes?
Yeah.
So, what should we start with?
But let's start with the end of 2025 and our plans for this year and
Yeah,
the competition that we've been chosen to participate this year.
yeah, it's really exciting news. But yeah, like you said, last year we we partnered with a company here in Romania called Power Dynamic Technology. They were the ones that we went to Imperiul Leilor with. I think back in 2002. We I think it was the very first ever ATM machine live on stage at Imperiul Leilor, which is kind of like Shark Tank Romania. Um, and I got up on stage and I took out money, real money, from pretty much a real ATM machine with just my face. No cash, no car. I mean, no card, no phone. No pin. Well, actually, there was a face pin, but basically, I had used my face, and the ATM gave me money with just my face.
Yeah, and he did this live in
Live.
front of more than 5 million Romanian people.
Live
Yeah.
on TV on ProTV.
Yeah.
It was pretty amazing. So, Power Dynamic Technology, they were the ones who built the ATM. They built it from in house. It's their invention. Um, and so, for the past year and a half almost, we've been here in Bucharest working with Power Dynamic and building all kinds of really cool face recognition enabled systems, from agentic AI avatar kiosks to paying with your face on a robot that gives you, like a robotic vending machine, to, a whole new version of Pay by Face called Power Pay, which is going to be a really cool app launching here in Bucharest, hopefully soon. And yeah, that pretty much kicked off 2025. So a lot of really cool technical advancements with our strategic partners here in Romania. And um, this year, like Alexandra was saying, I don't know. You want to announce the news of the Founder Games?
Yeah, so we submit our application 2 months ago at one of the most well-known contests, startup contests here in Europe, called the Founder Games.
Well,
And
they're more like the Balkans area.
developing,
than
yeah,
Europe,
yeah. And we've been selected among the 20 startups, finalist startups for this edition. And the big announcement is that this season will be on a yacht, on a mega yacht.
Yeah, on a big mega yacht, just like you see in the really rich Russians
Yes,
on those big
exactly.
boats. I guess it's going to be one of those giant mega yachts. Season two. It's called the Founder Games. The Founder Game. Foundergames.com. If you want to learn more about the Founder Games, but if you search the internet, I'm sure you'll find it. And season one, uh, was you can watch season 1 of the Founder Games. I think they have it on Voyo, on Player,
On all of the major streaming platforms, so in each Balkan country. Yeah.
Yeah, so I think the platforms are called Voyo,
Voyo and
Croatia,
Players. Yeah.
yeah, and Player, and then we were able to see it here in Romania on something called Frey, I think.
Yeah.
But if you have a smart TV, you can find these apps, and there's more information on their website of where to stream it.
Good news is that this year they may be partnered with Netflix. So this season,
maybe, I don't know. We've heard through the grapevine. This isn't official
Yeah.
information, but we'll see. Hopefully, we wish this.
You can watch us
Yeah,
on
that
Netflix.
would be pretty sweet if we get all the way up to one of those networks. I hope the teams there, they're outstanding. We've heard a lot of great feedback and comments from former participants in the show, and everyone speaks very highly of the teams at Founder Games. It's pretty amazing what they're doing. They've even sort of influenced our little venture that we've decided to do here in Bucharest.
Yeah.
And you want to mention something about that too?
Yes, absolutely. So beside our big project with PayByFace that we've been growing for so many years, we just started a new project called iMobile Labs, which is a startup incubator of 6 weeks for startups everywhere around Europe and beyond.
Yeah, it's an incubator program. So there's some of you might have heard of incubators or accelerators, things like that. So incubator comes before an accelerator, and just like babies sit in incubators if they're premature, it's kind of the same thing. That same kind of idea happens when you're a founder, sort of premature. You're just leaving maybe your job, or you have this dream in the shower or something that you want to build an app, or you have some wild idea you want to start and you have no idea how to do it, or you've never done it before, or you have built companies or small businesses of your own, and maybe you just want to freshen up on the skill set that it takes to start a company from scratch.
Or an agentic AI company.
Yeah, agentic AI is the new buzzword. Anything with AI. So as long as you're putting AI in your company, I guess you'll be successful nowadays.
Yeah.
AI for everything, which I don't really believe is the case. But yeah, so
it helps. Sometimes it helps. Yeah, it helps.
We use it every single day.
Yeah.
I'm hooked on the Sora thing. Like I can't stop watching Sora ads, Sora videos. They're pretty creative. And so the idea is that we want to give back sort of what we've learned doing PayByFace for almost 8 years now. We've gone through so many different challenges and roller coaster ride the entire time, and I've participated myself in Startup Bootcamp Amsterdam. I've been in Visa Innovation Program. I was in the MasterCard Biometric Checkout Program. I've launched probably now somewhere in the hundreds of startups in my lifetime so far, and me and my brother in the U.S. we've gone through almost every idea possible in our head and turned it into an LLC. So yeah, I've done it all, and I have a really strong technical background, software engineering background. So we decided, let's put what I know and what Alexandra knows. I'll let her explain a little bit about what she's worked on in the industries she's a part of, and we're growing our team now so that we can help others.
Yeah, we want to share our knowledge because we both work to build startups and with startups in the past 10 years. So we want to share that with the new entrepreneurs that also can integrate AI in their ideas.
Yeah, you're really good at AI. You vibe code everything.
Yes, absolutely. That's the future.
Yeah. Sometimes it doesn't work in production, but you still it works great on your machine.
Yes.
I'll take it to production. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. So yeah, we'll make this short and sweet, and we'll keep every once in a while keep doing these. We're crossing just about 10 minutes here. So yeah, well, thanks for tuning in. For those of you who chimed in live with us, if not, I think this will be recorded, and we'll set up some future shows for you coming up real soon.
See you soon. Bye bye.
Bye.